Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and if you are new here and just watching for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All of you have been asking me that in my hair video about how to grow my hair fast. If you haven't seen it, watch it below. I mentioned about rice water for my hair. Today I'm going to show you the right way of preparing the rice water so that it helps in your hair growth. So for that, what we need first is obviously rice. That's the main ingredient. 1 cup of rice, I'd say around 1 cup. You don't have to do exact measurements. So you pour 1 cup of rice. Okay, so then to the rice we just add some water. That's what I'm doing. And make sure you wash the rice well. This is just to remove any impurities that may be there due to processing of the rice. So you really wash it well. After you have washed it well, then you just throw the water out, because this is the one that has all the impurities and stuff like that we do not need due to processing or anything like that. Then we add some more water to it. There you go. Say about 2 cups of water, so you add water to it. So then basically we've got this rice water here. Rice water was used by Chinese women to maintain their hair nice and long. I will share a picture that you can see in the next slide. But what they basically do is, with the second round of water, they get the rice and they just rub it between their hands so that you are able to absorb the nutrients from the rice into their water. So you just rub it really well like this for some time. You continue doing this. The Chinese women swear by rice water for their beautiful hair. Even when they are old, their hair is still long. It is a special village in China where they even have festivals because of the long hair that the women adorn. So you just go on rubbing the rice like this so that you can extract as much as nutrients as possible. You can even rub it between your hands. They recommend that as well, so that all the nutrients of the rice come out into the water. Then once you have washed the rice, rubbed the rice in the water very well, you then transfer this contents into a mason jar. So I have a mason jar here, and you just transfer the water as well as the rice into a mason jar. So remember that we need to add the rice to it as well. So you just add all of this to the rice water. Rice water is definitely the secret to these Asian women's long hair, and if you use it regularly, you will realize how effective it is too. It has helped me, and I hope it helps you all too. So then you transfer all the rice in there. And some people complain that rice water does smell, which I absolutely agree with, because it does smell. So to ward off the smell or to reduce the smell, we add any essential oils. In this case, I am adding rose oil. You can basically add any oil. So I just add a few drops of the rose oil. And also the Chinese women, they add a fruit called as pomelo so that the oil does not smell. I don't have the pomelo here, so I'm just adding a peel of an orange. So you just cut it and then add the peels of orange. So I'm just going to cut it. Basically, it doesn't have to be orange. You can add any citrus fruit. I'm just adding orange peels because that's what I have today. So I'm just going to add some orange peels to it. That's about it. Once this is done, you then seal your mason jar well. It doesn't have to be a mason jar, can be any jar basically, but make sure to seal it. So you seal this and then let it ferment for 24 hours. So this is how it looks. Let me just give you a close-up. And then you let this whole thing ferment for 24 hours. And then I'll see you in 24 hours. then what we do with the rice water is we need a spray bottle. So I'm using this spray bottle, if you can see. So any spray bottle, really any empty spray bottle will do. You need to transfer all of this rice water into the spray bottle. So you can use a funnel to help you pour it into the bottle. And it is important to have a spray bottle because you have to spray it onto your head, obviously. So yeah, so that's the purpose of using a spray bottle. So this is the one that I am using. You can use any empty spray bottle. So as you can see now, as you can see here, the spray bottle is ready. We've transferred the rice water from our mason jar into the spray bottle and it is ready. Don't worry if it doesn't get full to the top or if it is half, doesn't really matter. Depends on how much quantity you're going to use. So now the next part is we need to spray this into our hair. For that, the best way to do it is to section your hair so that it is more effective. I section my hair normally into two, which is what we are going to do now. So now that my hair is sectioned into two parts, all we got to do is spray the rice water all over them. So you start from the top and then move towards the roots. Just make sure to soak it well with the water. Just rub it through as well as you do this. Rub it through into your roots and your scalp. Now you do the same on the other side as well. Just make sure to massage it into your scalp as well. Rice water has a lot of beneficial properties and a lot of essential nutrients which help your hair to grow more. If you're losing hair, it also helps in hair loss and it makes your hair thicker and better. So once you have sprayed it all over, then we put your hair into a bun. So once our hair is properly sprayed, then we put it into a bun. I'll just show you if you don't know how to put a bun. I basically just roll my hair into one. When it's wet, it all seems, lesser hair because it's all soaked with the rice water. And then you always do this and then you secure it with any band. I'm just securing it with this hairband that I have. And your bun is then ready. And what you do is you can spray some more rice water just over the top if there was anything that has not absorbed. After this, we leave it on for about 45 minutes to an hour. It's better if you can keep it for an hour. And then you just give your hair a bit of a massage before you go into the 45 minutes or the 1 hour count. And then after 1 hour, what you have to do is you wash your hair as normal and then condition it and dry it. That's all that you got to do. That's what the Yao women do as well. And that's the secret to nice, long, strong hair is rice water, which I discovered and I thought I'll share it with you all as well. So now we have washed and conditioned our hair and then this is how it looks. So do try it, and if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.